y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna just show you guys a quick little tutorial. I'm actually kind of in a rush right now, but I still wanted to record this video for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use these flexi rods. What I like to do first is I like to part my hair in twos. So I'm going to be using this simple black brush. You can find this at any beauty supply, really. I'm going to take my weave brush, and then I'm going to take my Smooth and Shine Foaming Wrap Lotion. This is the straight wrap lotion, you guys. And then I'm going to take my curling wand, and that's all the products you need for this style. So taking my wand, I'm going to wrap my hair away from my face. This creates volume and also those bangs that we love so much. Then I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to hold my curl until it completely cools, taking my flexi rod and wrapping my hair away from my face the same way I did onto the wand, securing it and then letting it cool. So I'm going to show you guys one more time what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and take a section of hair again, and then I'm going to brush it out, detangle it. I'm going to take my wand and wrap the hair going away from my face, you guys. This really does create the volume that you guys are looking for, so take notes. And then I'm going to hold my curl until it completely cools, and then wrapping it around my flexi rod and securing it so that it stays in place. So go ahead and continue to watch this video for the rest of the tutorial, and I'll be back in a minute. So now I'm just going to take them out. They have seemed to completely cool. So what I'm gonna do now is just rip my curls apart, creating volume. Basically, I don't want them to be stuck together and just like by themselves. So yeah, I'm taking my fingers and I'm just going to take them apart, and you can see how bouncy the curls get. Go ahead and wrap this around, kind of make my bangs stick out. That is how I do this. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take that foaming wrap lotion that I showed you guys in the video earlier. So probably just one pump. And then I'm going to take that and put that on my part. Then I'm going to take that brush that I showed you guys earlier, and I'm going to brush down my flyaways or any hairs that are stubborn enough to keep sticking out, making sure that this is smooth as well. Okay. For this tutorial, you guys, something simple, something basic, something quick for you guys. I'm actually in a hurry myself, so I have to get going, but I want to say thank you to everybody that supports me. Thank you to everybody that watches me. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I wanted to share me getting ready with you guys. You know, I'm trying to be more consistent and keep content out, so thank you once again for supporting me. Follow me on Instagram at J Carter. You can follow me on Twitter at I am Jasmine Juice, and you can follow me on Snapchat at Bossy J. Everything that you need to know will be in the description below. All of the products that I use today will also be in the description box below. See you guys in my next video, okay? Now I look good. I look good as fuck.